Gallows. A structure used for hanging punishment. The criminal was taken to the gallows. The gallows stood in the old prison. Accomplice. A person who helps in a crime. He was an accomplice in the robbery. The police arrested the accomplice. Squander. To waste something. He squandered his money quickly. Don't squander your time. Apostate. A person who leaves their belief. She was called an apostate by her group. The story followed an apostate. Tidings. News or information. He brought good tidings from home. The letter carried sad tidings. Antagonist. A person who opposes or fights. He played the antagonist in the movie. The antagonist tried to stop the hero. Austerity. Living in a simple and strict way. The country followed austerity measures. He lived a life of austerity. Complicit. Involved in something wrong. He was complicit in the crime. She felt complicit in the mistake. Commensurate. Equal or matching in amount. His salary was commensurate with his experience. The reward was commensurate with the effort. Compensate. To make up for something. He tried to compensate for his mistake. The company will compensate the workers. Complacency. Feeling too relaxed and not careful. His complacency led to failure. They warned against complacency. Compliant. Willing to follow rules. He was compliant with the instructions. The company stayed compliant with the law. Sugarcoat. To make something sound better than it is. He tried to sugarcoat the bad news. Don't sugarcoat the truth. Anomaly. Something unusual or different. The result was an anomaly. This case is an anomaly. Illegal detention. Keeping someone without legal reason. He complained about illegal detention. The court acted against illegal detention. Bench warrant. A court order to arrest someone. The judge issued a bench warrant. He was arrested due to a bench warrant. Deleterious. Harmful or damaging. Smoking has deleterious effects. The decision had deleterious results. Pertinent. Related or important to the topic. He asked a pertinent question. The point was very pertinent. Commodious. Spacious and comfortable. They lived in a commodious house. The room felt commodious and bright. Compelling. Very interesting or strong. The story was compelling and hard to ignore. She gave a compelling reason for her choice. Sneer. A rude smile showing dislike. He gave a sneer at the comment. She spoke with a slight sneer. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.